So we'll do the shahada, and the whole community should, we should not just, meet him one time, salam alaikum, hug him. We should stay in contact with him. If he has any questions, we help him. Of course, I'll be there as well.
Inshallah.
So, the basic shahada is we say the Arabic, and then after the Arabic, I will say the translation. That's all you have to do. So just repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadur Rasulullah. Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger.
رب عفوك إني للنور مدت يداي نزعت أسرار قلبي وجئت ألقي أسايا رباه عفوك إني للنور مدت يداي نزعت أسرار قلبي وجئت ألقي أسايا